Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop. Today on this video, we're going to be discussing how to diagnose bent rims. When you get new tires installed on your rims, you'll see the technician put your tire and rim assembly on a balancing machine like this one. This machine spins your tire and rim assembly, detects vibrations, and tells the technician where to install small weights to counterbalance those vibrations. This leaves you with a smooth riding car at highway speeds. Sometimes after hitting a large pothole on the road, you might feel some vibrations through the steering wheel, like your rims are now out of balance. More often than not, these new vibrations are now caused because your rim is now bent. To diagnose bent rims, you can put your car up in the air and spin the tires. You'll be able to tell which rims are bent because they will no longer be perfectly round when you spin them, as you can see when we are diagnosing the bent rims on this BMW. Take a look. So we are now looking at the two front rims up in the air. Don't get confused, there's a little bit of brake dust and grease on the rims that might make it look like there's a wobble or there's some kind of bend, but both front rims are running perfectly straight. Now, as we approach the rear of the car here, let's take a look at the back wheels up in the air. This is an X-Drive model, so all four wheels are moving. And here we go. We find that the rear driver's side rim has a wobble to it. You can look at it with a light, and you can see that this is the bent rim causing the vibration. Now looking at the passenger side rear is perfectly straight. And there you go. We found our problem rim. This is how you can diagnose bent rims yourself. And if you have a bent rim or you suspect of one and would like us to diagnose and take a look at it for you, always feel free to reach out to us at Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens.